annual members. Besides, about 10 libraries from various mushroom institutions are subscribing the journal regularly. The first symposium on mushroom was held in 1971, which was inaugurated by the then Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, late Dr. Y.S. Pramarji, and it was a huge success. The second symposium, which is being organized today and tomorrow on the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration of the university, has received good response from all over India. About 70 delegates from Manipur, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, New Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh are participating in the symposium. We have received 55 abstracts of such articles for whole presentation, including 5 lead lectures from distinguished mushroom scientists of the country. A book entitled Khum Ki Kheti in Hindi will be released today, specially written from growers' point of view. A book of abstract is being published separately along with the souvenir, which will also be released today. We will also honor 5 progressive mushroom growers of the country at this occasion who have done excellent work in the field of mushroom cultivation. Diversification, the theme of the symposium, has great relevance in the present scenario of mushroom research and development in the country. Because the predominance of white button mushroom in India has also arrested the horizontal growth of mushroom farming in India, due to high costs involved in infrastructure required for high-tech button mushroom farm. On the other hand, cultivation of specialty as well as medicinal mushroom may be much cheaper.
आदरणीय वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर के.आर. दिमाग, मेरे अन्य साथी डॉक्टर एस.आर. शर्मा, डॉक्टर आरती शर्मा, डॉक्टर आई.सी. शर्मा, डॉक्टर बी.सी. सुमन और अन्य साथी, मैं डॉक्टर लखन पाल, डॉक्टर अत्री और बहुत से प्रोग्रेसिव दोस्त देख पा रहा हूँ। और मशरूम फैमिली में आके हमें हमेशा ही बहुत अच्छा लगता है और ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि इंडियन मशरूम ग्रोवर एसोसिएशन ने डाइवर्सिफिकेशन के ऊपर एक जागरूकता लाने के लिए इस सिंपोजियम का प्रबंध किया है।
4 things. He said what? I said I need the political will, I need the bureaucratic support, I need the technological backup, and I need the cooperation from the farmers. Fortunately, we have all of these 4 components in our state. Friends, let us make use of this opportunity and go further, do best possible as far as the mushroom husbandry in particular is concerned. With these few words, I wish you good luck, and I hope and expect that we'll come out with some beautiful recommendation at the end of the day, so that we can land up somewhere. We can put forth in front of the government also. Yes, after 2 days of the deliberations and discussion, this is what we have done, this is what we have achieved, what we aim to do, and what we need from the government and for the organization. So thank you very much, Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Education Register. I'm really thankful, really obliged to you to be with us on this very auspicious occasion. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Kanti Majumdar for his excellent services in mushroom growing. I will now request Dr. Majumdar to please come forward and Dr. and Mrs. Ashok Chandra to please read out the citation for Dr. Majumdar.
Dr. Devendra Kanti Majumdar. Dr. D.K. Majumdar was born on 12th October 1962 at village Karsio, district Darjeeling, West Bengal. He initiated mushroom activities in Northeast India in 1985. He took the concept of artificial and mass production of mushroom amongst rural people of that area. Majumdar worked in the collaboration with the Department of Forest, Government of West Bengal from the year 1985. He has also assisted the Ministry of Environment, Government of India, several rural women organizations, Ministry of Prison, DWCRA, DRDA, NABARD, and several other rural upliftment programs. He established Mushroom Spawn Laboratory at Jalpaiguri, the nucleus of mushroom cultivation in northeast India. Due to his sincere efforts, mushroom industry is flourishing in the remote village of northeast India, and today more than 450 families are benefited directly or indirectly from his industry. Thank you.
I now request the Honorable Chief Guest to please present a shawl, cap, memento and scroll of honor to Dr. Majumdar. Thank you, sir. The Indian Mushroom Growers Association recognizes the excellent services of Shri Vikas Banar and honors him on this occasion. I again request Dr. Mrs. Ashu Chandel to please read out the citation in the name of Shri Vikas Banar.
Shri Vikas Banar. Shri Vikas Banar is one of the most successful mushroom grower in North India, who has carved a